Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to find Bunq IBAN number of banking. So friends, in order to find your banking, follow on this simple screen, log in and access your account in Bunq. As you can see here, this is the Bunq app. When you log in your account, you will see this dashboard for your bank. Just click show IBAN number on the home screen. Follow the steps, select bank accounts. When you select bank accounts, you will find all bank IBAN details. So friends, if this not work, you can use Bunq Wise. As you can see, this is Wise online IBAN check. All you have to do, calculate your IBAN, choose your bank codes here, your Swift codes or something like this, and then choose your bank account number. From here, you can choose calculate IBAN, this option. You have two option or two method. This method you can find your IBAN without any method complicated. So I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this